Okay, today we're looking at a 1984 Mack concrete truck. It's an owner-operator truck its whole life. It's in excellent shape. The tire life on all of them has 50 to 60% tire life left. It's in really good shape. There's the fuel tank, battery box, no dings, no dents. Frame rails, no cracks. There's your 125-gallon water tank. It's a challenge. Make sure the drum's about 2 years old. Just needs to be chipped out, but it's in really good shape. No dings, no dents. There's the rear fenders. Nice and straight, good shape. The rear wheels, straight, no dings, no dents, no road rash. Tires, once again, 50 to 60% left. There's your slump meter in the rear. Your rear controls. On the rear you have work lights for night work. When the drum was replaced a couple of years ago, got new main chute, flop over, and extension chutes. Has a chute shutter on it. Up top on the trailer it's got nice aluminum Alcoa wheels. Tires up there in really good shape. There's the passenger fender, really good shape. Tires, once again, same, a lot of life. The steel wheels are in good shape. They just painted white. All the hoses have been wrapped with a piece of hose so they don't rub on anything. The oil reservoir, the extension chutes. There's your air tanks, aluminum. The other battery box in really good shape. Passenger door in good shape. Quite a bit of aluminum on the truck. Front view of the cab. I'm going to lift the hood so we can take a look at the engine. Fuel pump was rebuilt not too long ago. It's in really good shape. The hoses are in good shape. Radiator's good. Just replaced the fan belt a couple weeks ago. Once again, all the hoses have been double wrapped. I'll go inside the cab now. And there's the doors, they're really clean, no rust anywhere. It's always been a California truck. As you can see, the glass is in good shape. Rolls up, rolls down, no problem. Same thing on the passenger side. Inside the cab, we've got all your gauges here. It's got a pyrometer, Fuller 8-speed transmission. As you can see, it's all in really good shape. It's got 272,893 miles on it. You can see everything down in here, the floorboards, everything's in good shape. There's the original Mack map book between the two front seats. There's your work light. Well, thanks for looking at the truck, and if you have any questions, ask for Jack. Thank you.